How to save iPhone contacts to iCloud. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, syncing your contacts between iCloud and Gmail is much smoother thanks to improved background fetch settings, and you can either link them so they stay in sync or perform a one-time move. So what you want to do is the live sync, which is a permanent connection. This ensures that when you add a contact to your iPhone, it shows up in your Gmail and vice versa. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll all the way down and go over to apps. Then go over to your contacts application. So obviously it's going to be in C, and then go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're here, go ahead and tap where it says contacts accounts. You're going to see any different ones you have. As you can see, I have my Gmail ones. So all I want to go ahead and do is if I want to click on one of them, let's just click on this one right here, or let me just go ahead and click on another one where it says contacts. I want to ensure that is basically enabled, and once it is enabled, that basically means that everything is going to be synced. You can even change the default email if you want to, and if you want a one-time move, you can do that through iCloud as well, just by exporting the V card, and that's it. You'll be good to go.